Huh? Yeah, why don't you come up there and get a second? I'll never keep up with Bob. He'll flat out leave me.
No, not on these roads, I won't.
No, none of these roads they won't. Now, we're gonna kind of stay back here and kind of keep him in the middle there just in case he has. Till we're sure his truck's gonna be okay and not have no more problems, you know.
Yeah, well, we have daylight and good roads. I'm also like that, but I'm in totally slow mode now. This is not a choice.
Yeah, I'm much better in the day. Yep, go ahead.
Well, these roads are slick. I'm not going to hustle on these slick roads. Absolutely. You ready? I'm going to hit the road out here in about a minute.
Yeah, make sure your tires are rolling. Good to go in the rear.
Got one coming in the scale. Hold up a little bit.
Yeah, truck coming in. Come on, Bob, guys. Yeah, you're good. You're clear.
Real slippery there. I'm spinning, so get a little bit of a roll when you come out of there.
Wouldn't even bunch up on the way out, guys.
We're at the Charlie Lake, British Columbia
Last winter, Indiana was worse than this.
scale.
Yeah, the bad thing about this is unfamiliarity with the roads. Yeah, this isn't too bad. It's just slick coming out that driveway.
Yeah, lock those dips in if you got them on that turn. I'm just going to stay locked in for a while. Got quite a bit of traffic coming here. Got some traffic coming around, Bob.
Copy that. I goosed it a little bit on that flat surface and it just broke traction real quick. Man, they were going by us last night like lightning. I wonder how they were doing it out here on these roads. It must have been heavy.
You out, Lloyd?
Yep, I'm good. Bringing up the rear. Try to get a feel for the road here.
Hey, Dave.
catch you a little bit here, Bob. I'm trying to get this hill.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm still came up here slow to see how my throttle and the brake traction is pretty good there now. My tires might have been loaded up before. Don't stop the wheelie.
Glad I got a little weight on this thing.
I'm thankful for the 13 I got. Dave's only got 4 or something.
I got 8,000 pounds. I got 16. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea an hour and a half anyhow to hit a wayside and clean tail lights off.
Yeah, good idea.